The corridors of power have long been a hotbed of sex and sleaze, a culture the Prime Minister concedes needs improvement.
That culture, you will all know, is not restricted to government or opposition, to Labor or Liberal, or frankly the media.
The behaviour of two cabinet ministers under the spotlight, Attorney General Christian Porter and Acting Immigration Minister Alan Tudge.
People who put themselves into positions where they can be compromised or blackmailed are really taking risks and unacceptable risks.
The former Prime Minister telling Four Corners that when he introduced a ban on ministers sleeping with staff, he had other colleagues in mind, not just former Deputy PM Barnaby Joyce.
I think the change in ministerial standards introduced by my predecessor were important.
Alan Tudge says he regrets the hurt caused to his family by an affair he had with a media advisor. Christian Porter contests Four Corners' central claim that he was spotted kissing and cuddling a female staffer in a Canberra bar. He says he told Malcolm Turnbull as much 3 years ago.
I said to him what I said to Four Corners, which was that there was no substance to either of those things, and that was the end of the meeting.
Mr Porter's not ruling out suing the ABC, but in any case, the Prime Minister says he won't be taking it any further with either minister.
There are no matters before me regarding their conduct while they've served in my cabinet.
As to whether Parliament's culture has improved since the so-called bonk ban was introduced.
I can only reflect on my own experience since I've been in this place since 2012, and I have to say that I have always felt wholly supported while I've been here.
A tawdry culture isn't just the Liberal Party's problem by any means, but this episode does feed the perception the Coalition needs to cultivate a more female-friendly environment, and that includes more women MPs. Labor's worked hard on that front, although Anthony Albanese's side was today dealing with its own questions of culture and inclusivity.
We lost touch with traditional working people.
Joel Fitzgibbon, one of Labor's few regional MPs, pulling the pin on a front bench position so he can talk more freely against ambitious climate targets that threaten resource jobs.
I think Albo can win if he listens to Joel Fitzgibbon more.
That sounds like trouble. Andrew Probyn, ABC News, Canberra.